Here is how to stack Atom on Keplr Wallet step by step. First, install the Keplr Wallet extension on your browser or open the Keplr mobile app. Log in or create a wallet. Make sure you back up your recovery phrase if it's a new wallet. Once inside, deposit some Atom into your Keplr wallet. You can send it from an exchange like Binance or Kraken to your Keplr Atom address. After your balance shows up, go to the staking section. On desktop, it's called Staked. On mobile, tap the menu and choose Stake. Press on it, and then press on Stake with Keplr dashboard. It'll take you to this website. Choose this chain, the Atom one. When you scroll down, you'll see a list of validators. These are the nodes that you can delegate your Atom to. Choose a validator based on commission, uptime, and voting power. Tap on one and click Delegate. Enter the amount of Atom you want to stake, then hit Next and approve the transaction in your wallet. Your Atom is now stacked. You'll start earning rewards approximately every block. You can claim rewards, redelegate, or undelegate anytime, but undelegating takes 21 days to complete. That's how to stack Atom on Keplr. Secure, decentralized, and a great way to earn passive income while supporting the Cosmos network. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.